If you've ever looked into affiliate marketing, you've probably seen people say that it's an easy way to make money online. Just post a few links, sit back, and watch the commission roll in. Sounds great, doesn't it? The problem is that most people that try affiliate marketing never see meaningful results. Not because affiliate marketing doesn't work, but because they focus on the wrong things. In this video, I'm going to be going over what makes people successful with affiliate marketing and the biggest mistakes that beginners make that keep them from making money. Let's get into it.
Affiliate marketing is simple in theory. You recommend products or services, and if someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. But successful affiliate marketers understand something important. They're not really in the business of posting links, they're in the business of building trust.
Now, one of the biggest mistakes that beginners make is that they try to promote everything: technology today, fitness tomorrow, finance next week. The most successful affiliate marketers tend to focus on one particular niche. And why is that? That's because people trust specialists more than they do generalists.
Whether it's fitness, personal finance, technology, travel, or home improvement, consistency helps build an audience that knows what to expect from your content.
Now, here's the biggest secret in affiliate marketing: people don't want affiliate links. People want solutions to problems. And the more helpful that your content is, the more likely your audience is to trust you and to buy from you.
Successful affiliates focus on answering questions, solving problems, and helping people make informed decisions. The commissions come later.
Now, here's the thing: you don't need to reinvent the wheel. You need to create content based on things that people are already searching for. Think about things like product reviews, tutorials, comparisons, or buyer guides.
If people are actively searching for information, your content has a much better chance of being discovered. And discovery leads to clicks.
A lot of beginners think that affiliate marketing is about convincing someone to buy something. It's actually about helping someone decide if something is right for them. And that means being honest. Talk about the pros, talk about the cons, and don't recommend something unless you would actually use it yourself.
People can tell the difference between genuine recommendations and sales pitches. Trust is what creates long-term success.
A big reason why people quit affiliate marketing is because it takes time to see actual results. You might be publishing content for weeks or months before seeing any meaningful commission, and that is completely normal.
Most successful affiliate marketers didn't get results overnight. They built content libraries that continued generating traffic over time. Consistency is often more important than perfection.
Now let's address one of the biggest myths out there. Affiliate marketing is not a way to get rich quick. Could it eventually become a meaningful income stream? Sure, but that is going to require patience, content creation, and audience building.
The people who succeed are usually the ones willing to treat affiliate marketing like a long-term business rather than a shortcut.
As your content grows, pay attention to what performs best. What videos are getting the most views? Which articles generate the most clicks? Which recommendations actually convert?
Successful affiliate marketers make decisions based on data. They create more of what's working and improve what's not.
So, to recap, how do you become successful with affiliate marketing? Focus on choosing a niche, helping people solve problems, creating meaningful content, building trust, staying consistent, and thinking long term. Affiliate marketing is not about posting links everywhere. It's about building an audience and gaining trust over time. That is what separates successful affiliates from everyone else. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos on financial literacy and how money systems actually work. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.